Well, what's going on, guys? This is over here at the house. I just want to give a shout out to everybody on the video I put out the other day. I appreciate all the support. Basically, right now, what I'm going through is I need to see what's going to go on health-wise with me before I make a decision about decide I want to go back on the road or not. As far as driving a truck, I know there's plenty of truck driving jobs out there, but I'm at a point now in my life to figure out if I want to continue this or not. But a lot of that's going to depend on the outcome with the stuff with the lung doctor on the 27th. But so other than that, I'm going to keep doing videos, and I'm getting ready to do a major clean out on the garage, so I can open some space up to where I can turn some wrenches here at the house, and let's see what I got going on. Sunday, the Barney truck is coming back for its first oil change. Everything's been running great with it. No check engine lights. He's been to West Virginia with it and Kentucky and everything else, so truck's running great. So it's going to get its first oil change, and we're going to look at the oil, make sure everything looks good, and make sure there's no shavings or anything in the motor, and get that knocked out. And then I've got another one of his vehicles to work on. I'll spin the phone here. And we call this, when he first got it, it's a Astro van. And when he first got it, it was white with the black tinted windows. So we sit there and called it the kidnap van, or the FBI van. And so he's had it for a little bit over a year now. And all of a sudden, he just quit running on him. So it's been sitting at a shop for about 2 months now, and was sitting at another place for another 2 months. So 4 months this vehicle's been out of commission. And it's an Astro van. It's got low miles on it. He got a good deal on it a year or so ago when he got it. And like I said, he was driving and all of a sudden it quit running. We'll come to find out there's something going on with the fuel lines in it. So the shop that sit there and he had it at couldn't find it. They're saying there are discontinued items and everything else. So I told him that I can probably take care of it and replace the lines. Well, there's plenty of lines on eBay, stuff like that, the replacement line kits for these things, all the way from a full line kit from the tank all the way back up to the front to the retrofit hoses that takes care of the problem. Because I think what happened on here is one of the plastic clip fittings took a shit, and they don't make those anymore, so they make a conversion kit for those. But like I was telling him, a lot of these shops and stuff don't like going that route as far as the eBay route and stuff like that. But with me, he's wanting his van back up and running. So I'm gonna be starting on that on Monday. Also, I just started my new Facebook page. Go check it out. It's Mopar Out E&A Garage, and I sent a link to it on my community page, so check it out. And I'm gonna be turning some wrenches here at the house, so that's why I decided to do that. But other than that, man, I'm just been here at the house today. It's been really hot, so I didn't go into the shop today to work on slag hammer. So it gave me a chance to get some stuff done here, and got the yard mowed. And I'm getting ready, like I said, I'm getting ready to do a major clean out on the shop. So I'm gonna have to make room for work. So I'm gonna have to add on to my garage to the left a little bit. I'm gonna do that here in the next week or so, and open up the wall on one side of the garage. That way there I can start working on stuff. One side can be for short-term vehicles in and out. The other side can be long-term vehicles, like for engine jobs and stuff like that. So that's where that's at. So right now, it has been kind of like do things here at the house, get things done. So I cut the grass, and then trying to figure out how much tin I had left over, so I can sit there and build on to the side there. I laid my tent up, make sure it was going to be long enough. Yes, I know my retaining wall has a lean to it. There's method to my madness. So anyway, while I build that and frame that in, I'm going to leave enough room to build another wall, retaining wall in front of it. So I was looking at that, ended up finding 2 snakes underneath my tent, so got rid of those. And Ethan has been busy detailing cars today. So he broke out the race truck. It's been sitting in the backyard, and he pulled it out, got it all washed up and everything, detailed a little bit. Now he's wanting to get back working on this, so he wants to go ahead and get the gears ordered for it and get that done. So we're going to be doing that, and then start looking for another bed on this thing, because most of y'all know in the previous video this thing got hit pretty hard, and I was able to pull some of it out for now because it was all bubbled up back here. So I was able to pull a lot of it out to the point now we can put another bed on it. So that's going to be one of the things, but he wanted to clean it up because it's been sitting out back. And then he decided to do a full clean on his 300. So he's been working all that. You know, since we got a little bit of free time right now, so he's wanting to get some stuff done. But he's got it looking good. And he takes his time on this. But he's getting that all looking good. We got the Honda in the garage just chilling, taking up space. And he's got some parts ordered for it. It's going to need a new ignition tumbler in it. It acted upon him the other day, so he ordered that. He ordered a few other parts for it, little maintenance parts. But yeah, here we are. And like I said, I'm going to get all this organized, cleaned out. So all this stuff here is going to go out of the way. That countertop / bench back there is going to go. I'm going to pull my rack in the back that's got all my Hemi parts on it. That's going to go outside in the other little area to where I can just free up some space. So that way this can be a more or less a functioning shop right now for me, and not be jumping all over everything. But other than that, just a quick update here at the house and what we're doing. So not letting life let me down right now, or get me down. But I'm gonna be busy. I mean, I've got the van I got to work on. I'm gonna be starting on that on Monday. Also, one of his trucks he has is a 1-ton 2-wheel drive utility truck. It's got a boom on the back. We're going to work on that and get it running. It's a diesel, so we'll do a little bit of stuff on that, and that's going to be put up for sale. So I'm going to be busy for a few weeks doing some stuff, so I'm not too worried about it. And then also I got the hot rod tour coming up, and so right now I'm not really worried about looking for a job. I've got some little side hustle to keep me busy. But yeah, here we are. Scared Presidents. There's Ethan back out of here to finish up detailing his car. He's chilling. But other than that, guys, we're going to be getting back to cleaning, getting washed up. But y'all have a good one. It's been great, and I appreciate everybody. And like I said, check out my Facebook page now, E&A Garage, Mopar Al, and give it a like. And other than that, we'll see you down the road.